Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Today I'm making a chicken salad sandwich. So easy and you won't have to buy canned chicken again. Perfect for anyone's lunchbox. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. Take a piece of boneless chicken breast and cut it into strips lengthwise. In a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using olive oil today. Into that, add 2 tablespoons of water and spread them evenly. Put the chicken on the top and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Close the lid with the pressure weight on and cook on high heat. Once the pressure comes, reduce it to medium and cook for 5 minutes. Turn the heat off. Let the pressure settle down completely before you open it. The meat is so soft. Look how tender it is. Just break them with a fork. Perfect for chicken salad. Take as much as you want and shred it nicely in a bowl. Add mayonnaise and mix it well. Perfect for a lunchbox. Just make sure to pack the bread separately, otherwise your sandwich will get soggy. Go ahead and add your favorite fruits or veggies. I'm adding sweet corn today. I've already microwaved a cob for 3 minutes. Don't forget your lettuce and tomato when you build a sandwich. Lettuce gives a nice crunchy taste. Toast the roll if you want, or a croissant is a nice option too. It looks so tasty. My simple lunch is ready. It's much healthier than canned chicken. Let's eat healthy and stay healthy. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.